Hello guys, I'm back with another video. In this video we are going to do an unboxing plus a sound test of the HPG primer from ADATA. At the sides you can see the specifications of this mouse like 12,000 dpi, an on switch and also RGB lighting. At the right side you can see the MRP. The maximum retail price written on the box is 6,980 rupees, but I got it for like 1,999 rupees from Amazon. So at the back you can see the same specifications written in the left side of the package. Now let's open this box and see how this mouse is inside the box. Inside the box the mouse is protected very well, so there is no way this mouse is going to get damaged while shipping. And also beautiful packaging, by the way. Let's take the mouse out and see what all things are inside this package. Let's leave the box and mouse to the side. So there is quick start guide. This is very important. This mouse does not come with a driver, so you need to read this before using it. And there is also a warranty guide. And there is also some exclusive HPG stickers. Now let's take a look at the mouse. So this mouse is a large mouse. For giving a comparison, I'm going to compare it with the G402, which is from Logitech, and you can see both of these mouses have similar size. So this is not a medium size mouse. This is a large type gaming mouse. The cable is braided and it's long enough for any of the computer out there. The cable quality is above average, I would say, not the best I have seen. So they have reduced some price on the materials used to make this mouse so that they can fit in an BMW3360 sensor inside this mouse. The mouse grip is not that great, but from time you will get used to it. Now I'm used to it after 1 month of use. So at the sides you will get grips like this texture for the grip, but that is not rubberized, it's plastic. So the grip is not that great, but still it works as a grip. The material used here is really cheap, but from time you will get used to it. The buttons are not wiggling, it stays solid, there is no problem like that. The clicks feel, I would say like the clicks feel is not that great, but it's okay, I would say. The scroll feels really good. There is no lighting under the optical sensor because it's a BMW3360. So this is the mouse, and I really like this mouse now. Trust me, you will get headshots without any issues. So now let's check the lighting. If you single press, you will get a breathing mode of the RGB lighting. If you press it again, you will get red light. If you press it again, you will get yellow light, again green, blue. This is a sky blue, this is more like a blue, a pink, and a white light. After that it's an RGB. Okay, now let's hear the clicking sounds of the left click, right click, mouse middle button, scroll wheel, DPI changing button, light changing button, custom buttons. So hope you guys like this unboxing. If you like this video, give it a like. Thank you for watching.